Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I'm super glad to see you here today. And I would like to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would sincerely appreciate it so very much. I'm on the way to 1,600 subscribers. Woo, woo! Slow but steady wins the race, is what they say. And today I'm going to be doing a second look with the Lethal is Dead with Lethal Cosmetics and Theresa is Dead. It's been a while since I've had this palette, and I've got this fancy new tie-dye shirt from Torrid, and this palette will make a great look to go with it. So let's get into it and make something beautiful happen. So anyway, I hope you're doing great. I'm doing well. I'm excited to be playing with this palette again. It has been a minute, and sometimes you buy palettes, or let me speak for myself. I buy palettes and I use them a couple of times, and then they're so special that I don't want to use them, which doesn't make any sense. If they're special, I should want to use them. So I'm going to be using this today, and this is Ancient Evil. I'll put that in my crease. That's a beautiful shimmer. And it's a very nice thing to start my look with. And I don't mind putting shimmer in my crease. Some people don't like to do that, but I'm not one of those people. I'm one of these people who like shimmers everywhere. And then I want to mix it up because there's several colors I haven't even used yet. I think I want to go in with, it's so hard to choose, it's all so lovely. I'm going to go in with this, which is the Final Girl. It is a matte. And that looks fantastic. I am totally digging that. I'm going to go into Vengeful Spirit here and deepen this up. I think this is looking pretty even. I always have trouble getting my colors even. I'm going to go into Spellbound for my lid swipe. Oh, that's lovely. And that looks dynamic. I'm very into it. So let's do some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila! We have liner and mascara on, and it's super pretty. I'm going to use this gorgeous color number 180 in Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. And it is called Revolutionary. And it is beautiful. And this is a beautiful look. And I'm super happy with it. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice. And we'll see you real soon.